If you are a business owner or a soon-to-be business owner, you know, you got dreams, goals, all that type of jazz, but you just don't quite know what field that you actually want to go in as far as entrepreneurship, then this is going to be the perfect video for you. Because in today's lesson, I'm going to be giving you 3 side hustles that you can do to make over $100,000 in revenue utilizing business credit. So go ahead, go get your pen and paper. I promise you, already right here. And make sure you stay to the end so you don't miss any steps, all right? And without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before we actually get started, I just want to ask if you don't mind hitting that like button for me, as it helps and supports my channel out a ton. Again, I appreciate all your support. Now, enough of me rambling. Let's actually get into these side hustles. So over this journey of mine, I've been helping numerous amounts of entrepreneurs obtain business credit, get their business funding, and even making sure that their personal credit is aligned so they'll never be denied in the future ever again. And they have actually been spinning the block on me and coming back and telling me how they've been utilizing their business credit to start these businesses or side hustles for them to make extra income. So I figured I might as well make a video about it, because I know there's a lot of people out here that want to step in the world of business but don't know where to execute. So this is where I come in. Now, disclaimer, you do not need any special skills or any crazy skills or anything imagined to actually start these businesses. This is actually pretty much beginner friendly. But eventually, when you do want to start scaling and taking everything to the next level, that is when you're really going to have to start utilizing more of your business credit, more of your business funding to really get to that next level. And I'll explain more later on in the video. And if you need help trying to access business funding, make sure you click the link in my bio so I can help you get funded like I've helped everybody on this list. Now, let's go ahead and get into the first side hustle. Now, with the first side hustle I have on this list today is ShareTown. Now, I'm gonna let you know right now, I had never heard of ShareTown in my life. But once one of my clients actually told me what they were doing as far as utilizing ShareTown to make money from it, I immediately thought this was a game changer. No questions. Because I know if I haven't thought about it, other people haven't thought about it either. Now, the golden question is, what is ShareTown? ShareTown is a company that acts as a third party for your furniture companies. They actually facilitate all return items from, again, all of your favorite online furniture stores. Now, stay with me. I actually have 2 people utilizing ShareTown right now, and they're making from $400 all the way up to $3,000. But again, disclaimer, you know I love to be honest with you guys, and you know I never want to lead you astray. This side hustle takes consistency, and it also takes more effort than anything. This isn't one of those side hustles where I'm gonna lie to you and say that you can click 2 buttons a day and then you're just gonna see $3,000 in your bank account, because that's dumb. So the next golden question is, how does ShareTown work? And basically how it works is, when a customer buys a specific furniture item online, but then the customer finds out later on when they get the package, hey, I don't want this, this isn't what I wanted, I'm gonna try to return, I am gonna return it. 99% of the time, whatever furniture thing that is, it's not gonna fit in a box. So this is where ShareTown comes in. ShareTown utilizes reps in all states to come and pick up the return item that you bring back to your home. Yes, you. Next, ShareTown gives you all of the images and the detailed descriptions you need to use so you can post them on sites like Facebook Marketplace, placing an ad, Craigslist, the list goes on and on. Wherever people are buying something, that's where you want to put it when you're working with ShareTown. Once the item is sold, you can share the profit with ShareTown, which is the dope thing. And then also, you can choose your schedule. You get to pick when you want to work. So with this, all you need to do is have a reliable pickup truck. That's the only thing that you need to have. And I know some people don't have pickup trucks. The best thing that you can do is you can rent a pickup truck. And after that, you can start making profit. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All right, and the next side hustle that I have on this list is a cleaning business. Hold on. Before you click off saying that you don't want to clean the back of nobody's toilet, hold on, relax. Don't block your blessings. Cleaning businesses are super slept on. When I tell you, again, they are super slept on. You can start off by cleaning local senior citizens' homes. And then after that, eventually you will start getting contracts with office buildings with an actual staff up under you. And of course, again, when it comes to a staff, that shows that you're actually scaling. And when scaling comes in, getting to the next level, you're gonna have to utilize more business credit and more business funding. And again, if you're trying to access that, click the link in my bio so we can help you get started to get that capital you need to start this cleaning business or any other business. But back to the actual topic at hand. I have somebody that I helped in the past with their business credit, and they came back to me and told me that they just started their cleaning business relatively almost 4, 5, 6 months ago, and now they're cleaning 2 to 3 homes, making almost $1,000 per day, depending on the size of the home. And of course, it doesn't stop there. Many people will refer you to others, allowing you to have consistent cash flow and consistent business. So if you do good cleaning this person's house, the word of mouth will start spreading and tell you, hey, can you come clean my house, etc., etc. So again, start off by doing residentials and then eventually move up to commercials. All right, that's the best thing for you to do. I promise you, best case scenario. Because think about it, only thing that you need is $2,100 a week, and each week, and you keep tacking that on for the rest of the year, you will roughly make around $100,000 easily. All right, and the last one that I have on my list is affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard it again, affiliate marketing. You probably heard about it or you probably haven't, but again, I'm going to break everything down as simple as I can for you. It's basically you taking the company's products, whatever companies that you choose, and you decide to promote them on your blogs or social media or anything of that nature. And I'm 99% sure you, yes you, the one that's watching this right now, you have a social media account. You're probably watching this from your YouTube page that you don't post anything. You might as well take advantage from it and start making money. So me and a lot of other clients that I've helped with their personal credit, business funding, and things of that nature in the past utilize affiliate marketing as of right now to promote the products they deem useful. And what do I mean by that? When it comes to actually affiliate marketing, I always state utilize the products that you use on a day-to-day basis or that you use in your business or you're going to use in your business. Never, ever, ever promote anything that you never use or you don't know anything about just to try to make a quick dollar, because I promise you it's going to blow up in your face. People are always going to contact you and ask you about this product. So why not utilize something that you're still using on a day-to-day basis? If you're using a specific detergent or a cleaning product or anything like that, see if they have an affiliate program. Try to click on those links and actually utilize that. You see what I'm saying? And it becomes even easier after that. And that's where the magic happens. That's when companies pay a certain percentage of the profit that you made from that product, whether it's either monthly or a one-time buyout. And that's either way, it's still a win-win situation. So again, just take all of the proper necessary products that you use on a day-to-day basis or you're going to use in your business and go ahead and promote them on your social medias, explaining how helpful and useful this has been for you and it could be for that person watching this. And when it comes to actually getting affiliated with these affiliates, you can use websites like transparentaffiliate.com, Aspire, Impact, the list goes on and on. You just have to sign up with an account, utilize all the companies that they have under their umbrella and tell them how you're going to promote their product. And after that, they will give you a customized link that you can put in your bio on your TikTok, Instagram, or anything of that nature, and you will start making money after that. So again, example, only thing that you have to do is create a quick reel on TikTok explaining how dope the product is. Let them know that the link is in the bio. And then once you create an audience, eventually you're going to start seeing companies reach out to you instead of the other way, telling you, hey, can you put this product in front of your audience, which is even more money. But that's another topic. With this side hustle, you can easily make $200 all the way up to $1,000 a day. You can actually make way more than that. I just didn't want to go overboard. I just want to keep it at a certain level for the people that's just starting. You can actually make probably $100,000 in a day. It's crazy what you can actually utilize and access. But again, it takes effort. So overall, I have given you the proof that my clients are utilizing these side hustles to make a great amount of extra income just by applying effort and dedication. All you have to do is start. That's the only thing you have to do. That's going to be the hardest part, starting. Don't worry about anybody else, any other distractions or anything, just start. And after that, the possibilities, I promise you, are endless, all right? I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now, if you need help with your credit, click the link in my bio so we can help you get an 800 credit score. And make sure you utilize these side hustles so you can start making that $100,000 a year, all right? And until next time, ladies and gentlemen.